Hello, mathematicians. We're going to just take a quick look and remember if we're going to compare fractions using greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. And we have an example here and an example here where we have broken a whole into the same number of equal parts. Each of our wholes here is broken into 6 equal parts. So I can name each of my parts 1/6 because each of them is a unit of a whole, 1 out of 6 equal parts. When we are comparing, we can see how many equal parts out of how many equal parts, which one is greater. So I'm going to imagine that this was my granola bar from the other day. So here's my granola bar. Had all my little chocolate chips. That's what I'm imagining in my head. So I've broken my granola bar into 6 equal parts. And I am going to have 4 of my equal parts. I compared mine with my friend who also broke them into equal parts, but my friend broke it into 2 equal parts. So my portion is 4/6 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6 equal parts. My friend has 2/6 because it's 1, 2 out of 6 equal parts. I want to determine which one takes up more space, and I can see right here that this portion takes up more space than this portion. So that means that 4/6 is greater than 2/6. Another example. Here, again, I'm imagining my granola bars. This whole is broken into 5 equal parts, and so is this whole. So the unit 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. If I counted all these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that would make 5 out of 5 equal parts, which makes my one whole. So if I go ahead and think about how much I broke my parts into and my friend broke theirs into. So I broke mine into 3 equal parts. That portion is 3/5. But my friend broke theirs into 5 parts, and they ate all 5 of them, so 5/5. I can see that 5/5 is the whole granola bar. They ate the whole thing, where I only ate 3 out of 5 equal parts. So I can say that 5/5, or I could call it 1 whole, is greater than 3/5. That's comparing fractions when it has the same number of equal parts, or I could say the same denominator. Same equal parts, same denominator.